There are approximately 369,400 different species of flowering plants in the world today. Each species is unique, but every flower will have the same key parts. Some common parts of plants that you will have heard of before include the stem, petal, roots, and the leaves. Today we'll look in more detail at the different parts of a flowering plant and their function. Pollen. Pollen looks a bit like dust and can be easily blown away or moved by the wind or insects within the same flower or to another flower. The flower will make pollen in the anther. The pistil. This is the female part of the flower. It includes the stigma, the style, the ovary and the ovule. It is in the pistil that fertilisation happens. The stigma. The stigma is also a female part of the flower. It is the sticky part at the top that stands in the centre of the flower. It collects pollen from visiting insects ready for fertilisation to happen. The stamen. The stamen is the male part of the flower. It is the long part that contains the anther and the filament. The stamen produces pollen that then goes on to fertilise plants ready for reproduction. The ovule. This is the part of the flower that gets fertilised and becomes a new seed. The ovary. This is the bottom of the female part of the flower where the ovules are. The ovules will get fertilised and a new seed will grow in the ovary. Sepals. Sepals look like a cross between petals and leaves. They provide the flower and its petals with protection before they open out. Now you know all of the different parts of a flowering plant.